Got those kind of suits on.
You're watching I Love I. My name is Nate.
I'm Fennell.
And we're chilling Cabana style here in Westfield.
Cause it's hot.
Yeah. Oh man, this reminds me of like one of those Vegas pool parties.
Right?
Oh,
Shirts
yeah,
on?
yeah.
You have to have your shirt on, huh?
Shirt off. But anyway, we're here. We finally found this place.
Yeah, it took a while, huh?
Yeah, and we're checking out this place called Square Bar.
Square Space.
Square Soft? I don't know.
Nah, I'm just playing. It's Square Bar at the Village in Westfield.
And I'm gonna put the address in the description down below, so that way you won't get lost like Trinell.
Yeah, I got lost. And I don't have any excuse. I have Google. I looked it up. Realized I was at the wrong spot. Sorry, Sonny. And then we drove over here.
He almost killed us. Almost. But hey, this place they have another location in Orange County. It's been trending a while. We didn't get to check it out there. They opened one up here, and so we're gonna check it out.
Save ourselves the trip.
Let's go check it out. So we found shade.
Whew.
Cause it's hot.
It's hot.
And like this place is like a family-friendly place, outdoorsy mall. But during the summertime, fuck this.
Unless you come to Square Space.
Trinell couldn't find his way. If only Sonny recorded the way he was driving. He was determined to find it. It was like across the street. He thought it was in the mall area, and he was like, cutting off old women. He was flipping them off and shit.
You know what?
Saying that's my parking spot.
You sound like a cop that's just making up all these stories about
so
me, bro.
Angry.
I won't commit a crime with you. No mas. Nah, man, we ended up at Westfield. I thought it was over there, only for us to be going around waiting for parking. And then I look at my phone just to make sure it was on the right side. I said, "Oh man," and Sonny was like, "It's at the other mall, isn't it?" Yep. So now we're at the Village, which is right down the street from Westfield. Got to get some parking. Sonny couldn't figure out the ticket situation, so I had to walk about a half a mile to go get my ticket.
So it was an adventure just to get here.
Shit.
So this damn place better be good.
Yeah, sip me, baby. I'm just playing.
So it's kind of cool. I mean, I have sipped it because of.
Yeah, it's hot as fuck out here. We couldn't wait, y'all. See that?
So each of their.
Britney Spears.
Sip me, baby, one more time. So you can actually get it in a glass for $1.50 more, or if you want to splurge a little more for $1.95, you can get it in one of their
Light bulb
containers. Yeah. It's a glass container.
This is not 626 night market, all right?
Yeah.
You don't need all the extras. Just give me my shit.
Just give me my drink. So.
What'd you get?
I got the taro right here. I actually wanted to get the cookies and cream, but they were out of it.
He was so mad.
It's like my soul left my body.
Right?
Like
he's like, I'm gonna get out of line. Let me think about what I really want now.
Yeah. I was like, oh man, I want cookies and cream.
And we got Sonny back there sipping on the mango.
Let me see that.
With the chamoy.
That's called Hanger 24.
Hanger 24.
Hanger 24.
It looks like you can go get like damn, I can't even think of the name right now.
That's refreshing, but it's
good.
Sour.
Yeah,
it makes my eye twitch.
The chamoy.
Yeah.
It's the chamoy.
I couldn't tell if I was twitching. It looks normal.
If I'm not wearing glasses, or if I'm not wearing contacts, I'm like always squinting.
Right.
Because I'm blind.
This is watermelon heaven.
No comment.
It's a drink fit for a king. What?
What time were we supposed to meet up?
We did. We met up at the time.
1 o'clock. He
What?
comes there at 2:30. What do you call that?
It's called breaking stereotypes.
What?
Oh, this watermelon's pretty good.
I can't read time really well. It's like I become dyslexic when it comes to being on time, you know?
I thought I was bad.
You still are. He's still
He's
bad.
the new king. This is taro.
I'm trying Sonny's.
I like all the drinks.
This is like the mango lollipop, dog. Just like took it out of a wrapper, put it in a blender, blend that shit with some ice, and gave it to you.
But that watermelon.
Damn, that's fire. Nah, I would actually go with that one over the watermelon, to be honest with you.
You know, I don't really like too much of the sour drink. I like a sweet drink. This taro though is on fire.
You like it sweet?
I like it sweet. I like it sweet. But you know, their drinks, the prices on their
It's not
drinks
sweet
aren't
though.
bad.
You know what that's like? That's like
he
the
wants to be diabetic.
Not really. Not really. Not a lot of sugar in here. You know what this tastes like though? The milk left over after Captain Crunch.
Hell yeah.
The berries one.
This is
That's
bomb.
exactly what it tastes like.
And I'll drink that shit up any day.
Long story short, if you guys are here at the village checking out shit, maybe just getting out of the gym. If you're hot,
Figuring out parking.
yeah, figuring out parking by the way. You got Tender Greens here, you got Square,
You got
Space
Sloan's.
Bar Cafe.
I think Sloan's has that kitchen sink
the challenge.
Yeah.
I don't know about that, though. I'm lactose.
But I like this place. I mean, their drinks are, they have a good variety of drinks. Their
Yeah.
drinks aren't as expensive. There's some boba spots that you go to. Their drinks are just like super expensive. Like you'll get a drink for like $9 and you're like, what the
Yeah,
fuck?
this was like,
What is
what, $6 I think?
Yeah, $5.50.
$5.50.
Not bad.
Yeah, it's cool if you're in the area, you know.
Let us know in the comments below what you think about this place if you check it out.
Or if you walk by it, get one, take a picture. You know, tag us in your Instagram post, whatever you got to do. Let us know you stopped by.
And let us know what other spots you want us to check out. We're gonna try to hit that spot up. Let you know what we think.
Cause it's summer right now, so any
hot.
drink spots you guys
Or
got
dessert,
will help.
ice cream. Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Hey man, but thanks for joining us here today. Do us a favor, hit that subscribe button down below,
That bell, ding, 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 ding.
so that way you can watch more videos just like this one. Share this with your family and friends. Why?
Cause they'll love it.
And we'll catch you in the next video.
Peace.